Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing with you all recipe of chicken cutlets. Okay, so let's see what ingredients we need. Okay, so we need boiled chicken, boiled potatoes, green chilies, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a finely chopped onion, fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs and breadcrumbs. Okay, so here I took a frying pan. Now I will add oil. And now I will add onion. Okay, now I will add green chili. Then add ginger garlic paste. Pepper, red chili and turmeric. We'll add salt. Okay, now I will add boiled chicken. Give it a good mix. Add coriander and off the flame. Okay, here I have added the mixture into a bowl. Now add boiled potatoes. Okay, now add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Now start mixing. Okay, so now let's start making them into a shape. Okay, now take a ball. Now press it gently. Okay, so this is how we need. As you can see, I have prepared so many here. So now we will start frying them. For frying cutlets, we need 2 beaten eggs and breadcrumbs. In the eggs, I have added 1 pinch of salt. Okay, so let's start. First, cover it with egg. And then breadcrumbs. Now you can add them. Let them turn into a golden color and then we'll flip them. Now I have turned them. They have got beautiful golden color. Let it cook from another side as well and then we will take it in a plate. Okay, as you can see, I took them out in a plate and they are looking delicious. Let's start garnishing them. As you can see, I have garnished my plate. Chicken cutlets are ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.